Landing in Bangkok and need to transfer from the MRT to the BTS, this quick guide shows you exactly how to go from the Sukhumvit MRT to the Asok BTS. Use ticket machines, find exits and navigate the metro mall. It's fast and it's easy.
Okay, we've got some exit information here. So at exit 1 it's the Siam Society Summit Tower. Exit 2 is Soi Sukhumvit 23 and exit 3 is the BTS Asok station or Asok station. That's the station that we want. Also over there we've got the ticket machines as well and a little ticket office. Right, out we go. However, before we go out, it's worth noting that there's a metro mall inside this station. So in this mall here you've got plenty of services. You've even got a barber's there, eyelash extensions, a Gateau house, we've got places that do coffee and that, like Cafe Amazon. We've got this place here called Vietnam Express, which is Vietnamese food. I noticed one or two of the shops are closed today. That's because it's the Songkran holiday. And we're going to exit at exit 3, which is BTS Asok station. Okay, over there is where we want to be. This is the BTS Asok connection. Okay, we're in the BT Asok station and we've got the ticket machines over there. Also, if you need some cash or a withdrawal, we've got the ATMs here. This is the Bangkok Bank ATM. Okay, waiting to purchase a ticket. สวัสดีครับอยากไปพญาไท
พญาไทครับ40 บาทครับ
40 บาท Okay.
เงินทอน60 บาทนะครับขอบคุณครับ
Okay, we are here at Asok and I want to go along here to Phaya Thai, which is the interchange station with the airport rail link. So you need to go to platform 2 there, which is Cool Cot. Okay, we're on the platform and here it is. Nana Station. Next station is Phloenchit. Chitlom Station. Siam. Okay, Rajdewi. Okay, we're here everybody. This is Phaya Thai Station. And there goes the train. Phaya Thai, interchange with the ARL, which is the Airport Rail Link. Interchange with Phaya Thai train station stop as well. Okay, we've got the exits here. We've got Thang Ok 3 Ha, CPS Tower 3, exit 3 here, Rajdewi District Office, exit 3, Priest Hospital, exit 4, Phaya Thai 1 Hospital, exit 4 again, One Son Building, and exit 5 is the Airport Rail Link. That's what we want. Okay everybody, if you want the Airport Rail Link video, you're going to have to check out the next video. So thank you very much for coming along with me here at Phaya Thai BTS station in Bangkok. Remember, give it a big thumbs up, make sure you hit the subscription button, drop me a comment, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.